As a creator, I am always in the lookout for the latest and the greatest gears when it comes to improving my quality visually and audibly. So I'm pretty excited for this video because we're going to be unboxing, testing out, reviewing this new wireless microphone. This is the Monolink T5. It is small, it is compact, portable, and you can use this across multiple devices. I also want to see how well this microphone matches up and pairs up with my mobile phone, as well as compare it with like my podcast microphone and my other wireless microphone that I've been using for years. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Let's go straight into unboxing this. I'm going to quickly open this up. We have this pouch over here. Like with this, you can easily store your microphone in here, store the accessories that comes with this. But in here, we have a neck piece right here. With this, you can easily hang the microphone on your neck. So it comes with two of it. Let me open this up. Now, these are magnetic neck lace. So these are what they look like. As you guys can see, they're already clipping onto themselves. Also, we have a Type C cable. This is it. In the box, we also get the manual. What we're going to do is to put all this aside and focus on why we're here. This is the case that contains the microphone. Now, I'm going to unbox this in here. I have this 3.5mm jack. This one is going to be to connect to your camera. And we also have some dead cats to help with noise reduction as well if you're creating content or you're filming outdoor. This is a pretty much universal microphone. You can use this on any device. So you have your Type C adapter as well as your iPhone adapter. And with this, you can easily connect to your mobile phone. At the bottom right here, you have these buttons to help with noise cancellation. So you have two magnetic clips that you can use to clip on to your clothes. This is the case that houses the microphone, but this is also a charging case for this microphone because at the back right here, we have a Type C port that you can easily use to charge your phone. You also have a light signal right here. That way you can see how fully charged or the level of your battery. And right now, all my batteries are fully charged. In this case, as you guys can see, we have two transmitter right here. I have two microphones. Now, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do like a 360 right here, show you guys all the buttons. Now we have a mute button over here, and we also have the AI noise cancellation button over here. We can also turn on the device over here, the microphone over here, by pressing and holding onto it. So this is another way you can install your microphone. You have this magnetic piece over here, and it does have a really strong hold. So you can either use this method, or you can use this clip right here, or you can use this necklace right here. So whichever one works for you. You have different options to suit whatever content you're creating. Lastly, we have the receiver for your camera. I'm just gonna connect this. So I'm a bit curious to hear what this audio is gonna sound like. So I'm gonna quickly connect this microphone onto my camera and then do a quick comparison. But the next audio you're going to be hearing is going to be from this one. So let me switch it up right now. Okay, so I just connected my Monolink T5 microphone, and this is the audio that you get from the microphone. And I know that a lot of people do this when you're vlogging with wireless microphones, but obviously the audio is going to sound better because of the proximity to the source of the audio, which is going to be your mouth. So on this microphone, you can either mute the audio or you can use the AI noise cancellation feature. I'm going to quickly turn that on. You can adjust this on your mobile phone. I'm going to show you guys in a bit, but this is what the noise cancellation sounds like using AI. And yeah, this is what it sounds like. Obviously, I'm in my studio, but I'm going to put this to the test outside where it might be a little bit more noisy and see how well this performs. But I'm going to show you guys exactly the different ways on how you can install this microphone onto your clothing. You can either use this magnetic option, keep it very clean, seamless, and just take this, put this like so. This is one way you can definitely install or put on or clip on the microphone on to you. So yeah, this is one way. Obviously you can hold it, but whichever one works. You can even have it closer to your mouth, so like I said. So I'm gonna take off this piece of magnet right there. And again, you can connect this clip right here onto the microphone. in case you want to clip this onto any piece of accessories or clothing, you can easily just clip that on and you are good. And lastly, I find this one to be very cool. So this one is the neck lace right here. With this, we can also install the neck piece. So we can put the microphone onto the neck piece and this is what it will look like. This microphone comes with an adjustable necklace, so you can easily adjust this to your comfort level if you want it a bit tighter and a bit more up close. Yeah, this is definitely the third way or the fourth way to hold on or to hang on or to install this microphone. And I love the versatility about it. If you want it a little bit further down and not too in your face, you can easily just like stretch it out and get it further down. Okay, so next up, what I want to do is to test out this microphone using my mobile phone. So I'm going to use this Type-C cable adapter and connect it to my mobile phone, and then we can test out what the audio sounds like. So now I'm recording using my mobile phone, and that is the Samsung S25 Ultra, and I'm using the Type-C adapter that came with this microphone. This is the Monolink Wave T5. I'm trying to figure out how good this audio sounds. And again, we do have this magnetic clip right here, so we can choose to clip this onto our clothing, accessories, whatever it is, and this is the audio, the quality that you get. Because it's a wireless microphone, there are no wires in play. You can move back to about 1,000 feet or 300 meters and you still get good audio. So yeah, I'm curious to know and to hear what this sounds like, but I also want to get your feedback. What do you guys think of this audio that's coming out of this microphone? What do you guys think about it? Okay, so we went ahead to test out the microphone using my mobile phone, and that was what it sounds like. Right now, I'm curious to see and hear what the audio sounds like in comparison to the microphone that I've been using for a while now, and that is the Comica microphone. So let me just quickly switch over to this one and then we can test it out. Okay, so right now I've connected my Comica microphone, and again, this is the audio coming out of this Comica microphone. I'll leave the links down and I'll leave the name right here so you guys can see. Again, this microphone doesn't have the magnet capabilities, but you can clip this on to your clothing, your tie, your cap, whatever you're wearing. But yeah, you're limited to what you can do in terms of how you can clip this on to you. But let me know which one sounds the best, which one looks the best, and what your thoughts are. But yeah, what do you guys think? Which one do you think sounds better? Would it be this one or would it be the Mono? Okay, so I want to put this microphone to the test. I want to take it outdoors and actually hear and compare it in different scenarios, because outdoor would definitely get a lot more noise coming through. We'll definitely try out the noise cancellation feature, see how far this can go in terms of how far we can be away from this microphone. Obviously the audio is going to be a little bit windy, but that's fine. But I want to see if we can still hold up the quality, if you guys can still hear me audibly. Let me move further back. But yeah, can you still hear me from this distance? Dead cat over here. I'm gonna quickly put this on so we can see if this also makes a difference. My dead cat is on and I'm outside. I'm just going to wait till I could hear a little bit of noise, but there is an airplane just passing by. Okay, I'm getting a lot of noise. Hopefully it still sounds great. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in comments. So I'm gonna read some of the specs on here. This is supposed to give you like a studio grade audio quality. It's supposed to give you pro level intelligence noise cancellation, exclusive voice filters, 1,000 feet reliable and stable transmission. It does also have 30 hours battery life. But right now what I want to do is to connect this to my mobile phone and see how we can adjust the noise settings as well. So you can download the Monolink app on your mobile phone, and with this you can dial in on the settings you want for your microphone. You can mute and unmute, adjust the microphone gains, change the noise reduction, and also change between modes. You can also upgrade your firmware on here, and I feel like the fact that you can dial in and make adjustments on your mobile phone is so cool for anyone who wants precision when recording. And yeah. So that's it for this unboxing review try on comparison video. I hope this audio sounds nice. I'll let you guys be the judge of this. What do you guys think of this Maono Wave T5 microphone? Do you think it's worth it? Let me just hold this on just so we can get like amazing quality. But yeah, what do you guys think of this microphone? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's worth the investment? Do you think it's worth the upgrade? Personally, I think it is, given the options, the variety, and how compact. I've heard that this can be compared to my podcast microphone in terms of the audio quality. I'm eager to hear what this sounds like while I'm editing. Just to preserve the quality of this audio and the other devices, I'm not going to add any audio adjustments or make any adjustments to the audio. I'm going to leave it as is so that you guys can genuinely hear what this sounds like and what other devices sounds like. But what do you think? Do you think this can be compared to this? This is the microphone that I used in the beginning of this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Feel free to go back and come back and kind of compare as well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Mauno, for sending me this microphone to try out and to share with you guys as well. For anyone who is creating or thinking of creating or even wants to upgrade their gears, definitely consider looking this up, trying this out, watching some reviews, compare, contrast, see if it's gonna work for you. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section, and I cannot wait to see it.